Hey everyone, this is Ryan from Got Oil Supplies coming to you live today from our brand new warehouse. And so if the background looks a little different, that is because we've been moving and it was a lot of work, but I'm so happy to be here with you today. It is October 1st. We are in our new warehouse. If you're watching this live, comment, let me know what you think about our little background here. I think it looks really fancy and snazzy, and so we're excited to be in our new location and to bring you a brand new essential oil collection featuring hair care for the month of October. And so we have a ton of good stuff that I'm going to go over. And so if you are watching this video, please always like, comment, let us know what you think of the new background, where you're from, you enjoying your October. Let us know what you did in September. Anything, just comment, say hi, let us know. And of course, always share these videos with your essential oil groups because it helps us a lot. And if you have hair, and most of you do, I don't, but you guys do, you're going to want to pick up this hair care with essential oils collection. I'm going to go through the entire collection with you guys. And so you might be thinking, Ryan, you don't have hair. What do you know about hair and essential oils? And I know very little, but Karen, our certified aromatherapist, she does have hair and she knows how to use essential oils with hair. And so luckily for us, we have Karen to develop these amazing collections for us. And so let's get into it. We're going to get started. And so again, this month, we have our hair care with essential oil collection. Wow, hey, from Alaska. How you doing, Kim? Thanks for commenting on our Facebook Live video. So hair care. Hair is extremely important, and the reason I know this is because I'm married. Gina's behind the camera. Hi, Gina. Everyone say hi to Gina. She's here, even though you can't see her. Hair is super important, and we all use our essential oils every day, and so it is super important that we learn how to properly use essential oils with hair. And you know, we've done some stuff in the past, but we've never done a full-on hair care collection. And so this month, only in our subscription boxes do we have our hair care with essential oils collection. And so I'm going to start off by showing you the recipe sheet. So this is our recipe sheet. We have 8 recipes that we have developed for you, that Karen, our certified aromatherapist, has developed for you. Plus we got a couple extra bonus recipes on the back. And then on here we have a list of essential oils that you can use with your hair and how to use them, and which is super important because you need to make sure that whatever recipe you use, it is safe and effective. And so let's go through the 8 recipes and show you exactly what you're going to be getting this month in your subscription boxes. This one is pretty self-explanatory. In fact, I'll show you all the labels individually, but let me show you the label sheet. And so there's 8 labels, big labels on this label sheet, plus 16 lid stickers. So each label has 2 lid stickers, one in black, one in color. Super awesome. Really cool font pairing on this label sheet. It's going to look amazing on your essential oil bottles. And so you're going to get these clear 2-ounce bottles with these white spray caps and these little cap stickers on the top. Going to make sure Instagram sees these too. These bottles look amazing. So this one right here is liquid dry shampoo, and I don't think this one needs any explanation. Gina, do we need to explain anything about this one? Nope. Liquid dry shampoo must have. You're gonna need to get this one. Hair detangler. If you ever have tangled hair, this is a must-have. Oh, and this one is also very, very handy to have. So if anyone has ever had split ends, comment below because split ends, from what I've heard, are the worst. And so this one is split end conditioner to help condition your split ends. Leave-in scalp treatment. That sounds like you're going to a spa, and indeed it will feel like you're in a spa when you use this leave-in scalp treatment. Okay, those are the first 4 recipes. I'm going to go to this side. Fizz-free. If you live in a humid climate, you have frizzy hair, this frizz-free recipe will do wonders for your hair. This one I actually kind of think sounds pretty fun. This one is hair perfume. If you're going out on a date, night on the town, you want your hair to smell good, you can use this hair perfume recipe. And then we have a couple more recipes that I'm going to explain a little more in detail. This one is called beach waves. And so I asked Karen, I'm like, all right, Karen, what what is beach waves? And Karen explained to me that beach waves is it's a hairstyle, and so this will help you get soft, wavy curls in your hair. For example, like if you went to the ocean and your hair got all wet and you let it air dry, that is what this beach waves recipe will do for you. It'll just give you some soft, wavy, curly hair. Super awesome. Give it a shot. And last but not least is another super fun hair care recipe. And this one's called mermaid hair. And so I'm like, okay, Karen, what's mermaid hair? And mermaid hair, basically, this is going to help your hair grow long and strong. It's just going to ensure that if you have long hair, it's going to be thick, full, and it's not going to break easily. And so for long, strong hair, you're going to want this mermaid hair right there. And then there's some bonus recipes, like I mentioned on the recipe sheet. So on the back, if you've ever wanted to make a dry shampoo, right here, Karen has laid it out how to make it. So bonus recipe included on the recipe sheet, super great. And so in a nutshell, that is our hair care collection. And so now I'm going to describe to you exactly what you're going to get in our October Oiler box. Our Oiler box is only $19.95 a month, super cheap, and it is for anyone that loves essential oils, because sometimes we have all these essential oils laying around our house, and heaven knows I have gallons of essential oils all over my house. It, it's just so awesome to learn how to use them and to use them properly, and that's why I love these collections. And so Oiler box, only $19.95. If you or anyone has essential oils, subscribe to the Oiler box. It is great. You will get one of these recipe sheets. You're going to get this label sheet right here that has all 8 of the recipes that I just explained to you. But we're also going to throw in a bonus label sheet because this label sheet right here has mermaid hair right here on the bottom. But on this label sheet, we actually have a label for our dry shampoo, which is the bonus recipe. So you're going to get 2 label sheets this month. And then we threw in an extra bonus. We're like, all right, this collection is super awesome because, of course, you're going to get the 8 2-ounce clear bottles with the white spray caps. That look great. We always throw in the pipette and the funnel, and of course a fun surprise, because we just love throwing in a fun surprise each and every month. But we went above and beyond this month, and we also developed this essential oils for hair care resource card. So this resource card, super thick, chock full of information, and of course all this content you can see here with all these holes punched, all of this will fit into your content management system notebooks. That way you can keep all of your essential oil content organized. But we're also throwing in this resource card. This resource card is great. It talks about common conditions and what essential oils you can use, carrier oils and hair care, the top 10 essential oils for hair support, and that's just on the front. And then on the back, there's healthy hair habits, another dry shampoo recipe, and a deep scalp cleanse. And so this resource card is also included in each and every Oiler box. And let's see, did I run down the entire list? Oh, no, I didn't. There's still one more thing. It's October. It is Super October. Hey, Sue from Michigan, thanks for chiming in. Since it's October, we did kind of want to do something that's kind of holiday-ish, super fun. And so we're also going to throw in some pumpkin labels. We're just going to throw it in. You can use these with diffuser blends, room sprays, whatever you want. But we're going to throw in a label sheet of our pumpkin labels because it's October. Pumpkins are fun. You're going to love this. And so all of this is included in the oiler box for only $19.95. And so let's move on to the builder box because I know a lot of you are builders. You're trying to grow your essential oil business, and our builder boxes are a great way to do that. Each and every month, our builder boxes are valued at least $60, and this month is no different, but they are only $39.95. And so you're going to get a ton of essential oil content for just $39.95 each and every month plus shipping. You are going to love it. So what you're going to get in our builder box, which I actually kind of forgot to grab. We have these little 5 ml clear spray bottles with white caps. They have been in our previous boxes before, but they're just these little 5 ml clear spray bottles that you can use to share your essential oils. So let's just say you make up the mermaid hair because you want to grow long and strong hair. You can take this recipe, pour it into the little 5 ml spray bottles, use these lid stickers that we give you, and share this essential oil recipe with your friends, family, neighbors. Show them how practical it is to use essential oils, and this is a great way to grow your essential oil business. And then in the builder box, you don't just get one recipe sheet, you're going to get a pad of 12. So you're going to get 12 recipe sheets that you can use for your DIY classes, make and take workshops, whatever you need, share them with your downline. 12 recipe sheets. You're going to get 12 of our label sheets, which is a huge value, ton of content, 12 label sheets included in every oiler box. And then we're going to include 3 of the bonus sheets. This one has the dry shampoo label on the bottom, so you're going to get 3 of these. Of course, you're going to get the resource card as well because everyone's going to want this Essential Oils for Hair Care resource card. You're also going to get the pumpkin sheet, which I'll show you one more time. This pumpkin label sheet, super fun for the holidays. You're going to get this as well. And the pipette funnel, and of course, an amazing surprise valued at $60 or more each and every month for only $39.95. And so, big time value. You guys are going to want to go subscribe. So if you like what you see, head on over to God Oil Supplies. If you have any questions, comments, we're always here for you guys. You can text us, call us, email us, send us a message on Instagram, Messenger. We are here to help. And so I hope you guys love our hair care with essential oils collection just as much as I do. And so if you're already one of our amazing subscribers, I hope you look forward to getting your box this month. If you're not one of our subscribers, head over to God Oil Supplies, subscribe now. Your first month ships free. You're not going to want to miss this collection. It is awesome. And so that's all I have for you guys. Wishing you a happy October. Hope everyone is healthy and safe and using those essential oils. And until next time, I'm Ryan from God Oil Supplies. Everyone have a great day. Bye-bye.